friends, now I am going to start about equality of a matrices. Equality of a matrices, it is a topic of matrices only. Suppose A is a matrices of order 2 cross 2 and another matrices is B of the same order 2 cross 2 having elements as 2, 4, 5, 6. So there are two matrices A and B having order same. You can see here order is most important. यहाँ पे same order है. So दो matrices जिनको order same है वो can be equated. वो जो है equate की जा सकती हैं, compare की जा सकती हैं. If order is not same, we cannot compare any matrices. यहाँ पे हमारा अगर order 2 cross 3 होता, 2 cross 3 मतलब number of rows 2 and number of columns 3. अगर B मैट्रिसेस है कोई भी जो कि 2 cross 3 ऑर्डर का है, number of rows 2 and number of columns 3, so it cannot be compared with A because order are not same. So equality can only be equality of matrices can only be applicable at on two matrices which are of equal order, जिनका order same हो. Suppose A is matrices 2 cross 2 and B is also a matrices of 2 cross 2 only. Then these two matrices can be comparable. और हम कैसे compare करेंगे matrices को? We see A11 is equal to A11 of this matrices is equal to B11 of this matrices. क्या ये equal है? A11 क्या है? 1 और B11 क्या है? 2. 1 is not equal to 2. Therefore, A matrices is not equal to B matrices. हम जो है each and every element को check करेंगे, each and every element of another matrices. अगर हर element matrices A का equal हो जाए matrices B के, so we can say that two matrices are equal, otherwise not. So A is a matrices 1, 2, 3, 4, and if B is also a matrices of 1, 3, 2, 4 having A11 1, B11 1 means B is equal to 1. तब हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि A11 B11 के इक्वल हो गया तो A और B इक्वल हो गए. नो, we also check for another element. अब क्या A12 इक्वल है B12 के? A12 क्या है? 2. B12 क्या है? 2. यस, इट इज़ इक्वल. हाँ, तब भी नहीं कहेंगे कि A B के इक्वल है. फिर हम चेक करेंगे नेक्स्ट के लिए A21. क्या अब A21 इक्वल है B21 के? यस, इट इज़ इक्वल 3, 3. सो यस, दिस एलिमेंट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. नाउ वी सी फॉर सेकेंड नेक्स्ट वन. सो क्या A22 इज इक्वल टू B22? यस, इट इज़ इक्वल. A22 is equal to B22, that is 4 is equal to 4. So each and every element of a matrices A is equal to every element of matrices B. So we can say that matrices A is equal to matrices B. और ये हम तभी चेक करेंगे जब उनका ऑर्डर सेम हो. ओके, if order is not same, we cannot able to compare the two matrices. Order same है, हमने exactly directly compare कर दिया और A11 B1 के इक्वल है, A12 B12 के इक्वल है, A13 B13 के इक्वल है, एंड A22 इज इक्वल टू B22. इफ़ कोई भी एक एलिमेंट इक्वल ना हुआ, सब चीज़ इक्वल जा रही थी बट A22 B22 के इक्वल नहीं है। सो वी कैन से A इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू B। हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि 3 एलिमेंट इक्वल है, एक एलिमेंट नहीं इक्वल है तो मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल। नो, वी चेक ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ अ मैट्रिसेस, और इफ A22 B22 A1 every element is equal, then we can easily say that A is equal to B. So two matrices are equal if each and every element of matrices A is equal to matrices B. So we can say that two matrices are equal. Suppose there is one question. Suppose there is a matrices A having element 2, 4, 5, 9, 5 and a matrices B having element 2x 4y, और क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है matrices A is equal to matrices B. Find x and y. क्वेश्चन में कह दिया गया है कि मैट्रिसेस A जो है मैट्रिसेस B के इक्वल है, तो हमें x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है। सो हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे ईच एंड एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ मैट्रिसेस को कंपेयर करेंगे। A11 B11 के इक्वल है, A21 B21 के इक्वल है। सो A12 should be equal to B12. Why? Because the two matrices are equal. So 4 equal to x, and the last is A22 A12 B12 के इक्वल होना चाहिए, जो कि 4 equal to x. So हमें x क्या मिला, 4. A22 should be equal to B22, that is 5 should be equal to y, so we get y equal to 5. So x की वैल्यू 4 है, y की वैल्यू 5 है. We can easily get the value if the two matrices are said to be equal. If two matrices are said to be equal, we can easily compare each and every element of a matrices and we get the unknown value. Now I am going to discuss about the operation of matrices. First operation is addition of two matrices. Addition of two matrices Before starting operation of matrices, first of all I want to tell you that the operation of a matrices is only applicable if the matrices are of the same order. This is the most important. Means दो matrices अगर same order की हैं, then only we can able to compare it and perform the operation of matrices. First operation is addition of matrices. Addition of matrices, suppose there is a matrices A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and matrices B, 2, 3, 4, 5. So addition of two matrices is defined as addition of each element of A to each element of B. Means A11 ये हमारा A11 है, ये हमारा A12 है, 3 is A21 and this is A22. B is B11, 4 is B12 and 3 is B21 and 5 is B22. So addition of two matrices is the addition of each element of matrices with another element. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 1 जो है A11 जो है वो B11 से ऐड होगा, A12 B12 से ऐड होगा, A21 is added to B21 and A22 is added to B22. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3 and 4 plus 5. We get 3, 6, 6, 9. So this is the addition of matrices. If there are two matrices of the same order, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, so operation of matrices can be applicable over it, and the addition of two matrices is given as addition of or sum of each element of A with element of B, and we get the matrices, the new matrices, which is a sum of A and B of the same order 2 cross 2, जो कि 2 cross 2 है, मतलब order same ही है. This is the addition of two matrices. Now the second one is difference of matrices. Difference of a matrices. Difference of two matrices is defined as A matrices A minus matrices B, which is defined as the difference of each element of A with that of element of B. Means A11 is subtracted to B11, A12 is subtracted to B12, A21 is subtracted to B21, and A22 is subtracted to B22, which is, what is A11? A11 is 1, B11 is 2, A12 is 2, B12 is 4, A21 is 3, B21 is 3, A22 is 4, and B22 is 5. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 4 minus 5 is minus 1, which is of the order 2 cross 2, means again you can see the order is same. Difference of a matrix is only applicable on that matrices having the same order, or it is defined as A minus B, which is the difference of each element of A with that of element of B. We construct a new matrices which is of the same order. Now the third is multiplication of a matrices by a fixed constant. Suppose there is a matrices A of order 2 cross 2 and another matrices is B of order 2 cross 2. No, there is no need of another matrices because we have to multiply it by a fixed constant. So what is if we multiply with 5? So 5 gets multiplied with each element of A. 5 is multiplied with 1, 5 is multiplied with 2, 5 is multiplied with 4, and it is multiplied with 9. What we get? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20, and 5 nines are 45. So multiplication of matrices by fixed constant. If we multiply any matrices with a fixed constant, Here we have choose a fixed constant as 5. So each element of A gets multiplied with 5 and we get a new matrices which is of the same order 2 cross 2. Understood? Now the third topic is multiplication of matrices by a fixed constant k. But here we are going to explain about multiplication of two matrices. Suppose it is a matrices A 2, 2, 4, 5 of order 2 cross 2 and another matrices is B of order 2 cross 1. अब आप पूछ रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे ऑर्डर सेम नहीं है तो हम कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस अप्लाई कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. यस, वी कैन अप्लाई इट. वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज अनदर रूल. Two matrices are multiplicable if number of column of first matrices is equal to number of rows of second matrices. मतलब अगर नंबर ऑफ कॉलम ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज ऑफ बी तब हम दो मैट्रिसेस को ईजिली मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. इफ़ वी हैव वन मैट्रिसेस ऑफ ऑर्डर 1 क्रॉस 3 and another of order 3 cross 2, we can easily multiply this because number of columns of first matrices is equal to number of rows of second matrices. So here number of column of A is equal to number of rows of B, so two matrices are multiplicable. And how we find the value? We multiply first row with the first column. This is our first row and we multiply it by this. So A cross B is defined as A11 into B11 plus A12 into B12. ये पूरी रो के इस पूरे कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. फिर सेम सेकेंड रो पूरी उठ के पूरी सेकेंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. मीन्स A21 B11 प्लस A22 इंटू B22. मतलब 2 into 1 प्लस 4 into this 2 into 1 plus 5 into 2. This 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 plus 4 twos are 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10, 2 plus 10 equal to 12. So this is the matrices of order 2 cross 1. So if any matrices A of order m cross n is multiplied with any matrices B of order P of order n cross P, मतलब number of column of first matrices should be equal to number of rows of second matrices. If this is applicable, then we can easily multiply the two matrices and we get another matrices A cross B of order M cross P. If A is a matrices which is multiplied with any matrices B, जहाँ पे number of column of first matrices is equal to number of rows of second matrices, then we get another matrices, a new matrices which is a product of the first two and we get of order M cross P. Here you can see 2 cross 2 matrices is multiplied by 2 cross 1 matrices. We get a matrices of order 2 and 1. You can see, which is M cross P. So it's all about the operation of matrices. We have discussed addition of two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, multiplication of matrices by a constant and multiplication of a two matrices. Okay, and equality of matrices, how the two matrices are said to be equal. They are said to be equal only and only if order are same order होना चाहिए. This is the most important. So it's all about that.